Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 18. The priests, the Levim, the entire tribe of Levi, will have no part nor inheritance with Yeshariel. They will eat from the fire of Yahweh and his portion. Therefore they will have no inheritance among their brethren. Yahweh is their inheritance, as he said to them. Moreover, this will be the priest's due from the people, from those who offer a sacrifice, whether an ox or sheep. Thus they will give to the priest the shoulder, and the jaws, and the belly. Also you will give him the first fruits of your grain, wine, and oil. So too you will give him the first of the fleece of your sheep. For Yahweh your Elohim has chosen him from all your tribes to stand, to minister in the name of Yahweh, him and his sons, all the days. Furthermore, if a Levim goes from any of your gates, wherever he sojourned, and comes with all the desire of his soul to the place that Yahweh chooses, then he will minister in the name of Yahweh, his Elohim, like all his brethren, the Levim, who stand there before Yahweh. They will eat equal portions, except what is sold by their forefathers. When you have come into the land that Yahweh your Elohim gives you, you will not learn to do after the abominations of those nations. There will not be found among you one who makes his son or his daughter pass through the fire, uttering divinations from clouds and from snakes and from witchcraft, or charming charms, or consulting possessive spirits and wizards, or seeking those who are dead. Because all who do these things are an abomination to Yahweh, and because of these abominations to Yahweh, your Elohim, they are driven out from before you. You will be perfect with Yahweh, your Elohim. For these nations which you will possess hearkened to cloud readings and divinations. But as for you, Yahweh, your Elohim, has not permitted you so. Yahweh, your Elohim, will raise up a prophet for you from the midst of you, from your brethren, like me. Unto him you will hearken. According to all that you desired of Yahweh your Elohim in Choreb, during the day of the assembly, saying, Let me not hear the voice of Yahweh my Elohim any more, nor let me see this great fire any more, so that I do not die. Therefore Yahweh said to me, Those who have spoken well. I will raise them up a prophet from among their brethren, like unto you, and put my words in his mouth, and he will speak to them all that I will command him. And it will come to pass that whoever does not hearken to my words, which he speaks in my name, I will require it of him. However, the prophet who arrogantly speaks a word in my name that I have not commanded him to speak, or who speaks in the name of other deities, that prophet will die. However, if you say in your heart, How will we know the word which Yahweh has not spoken? When a prophet speaks in the name of Yahweh, if the word does not follow through, nor come to pass, Yahweh has not spoken that word. The prophet has spoken arrogantly. You will not regard him.